El Salto, the jump, is a beautiful canyon just off the Tijuana Ensenada Libre Highway at kilometer 76. It lies just between La Mision and Ensenada. When you get there, be sure to ask for your receipt and don't forget to pick up your trash. El Salto also has camping facilities, so if you want to stay for the night, you can. We decided to stay for the day, camp at night, and hike again to the waterfall the next day.
Rubbish!
The hike itself is relatively easy, and it's only about a half a mile in to reach the waterfall. You can increase the difficulty of the hike by going over the creek and climbing the giant boulders. You can also bring your dogs along on the hike. When playing around on the rocks, always be careful. The rocks get really slippery when wet. If you have time, you should check out Ensenada, which is only 20 minutes south on the same highway. Walking around their fish market, you will see lots of different taco stands. They're all pretty much the same, so just pick one and have some fish tacos. After grabbing a quick bite, you can walk around the Marina. There are lots of shops and you can even catch some seals and pelicans. From here, you can hire a boat to take you out on the bay, or when in season, go out and catch some whales. Be sure to check out our website for more information and directions to this and other locations in Baja.